Hey beautiful people, I am LaDonna J. If you're new, hi, welcome. If you're not, what's going on? How y'all doing? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is going to be on this cute, trendy hairstyle, the fishtail braid with the beach waves. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop on my wig real quick. Just wanted to show you guys how I put on my wig. Super simple, super self-explanatory, basically. It's a closure wig. I got this hair from AliPearl. My sister dyed it for me, but I will still link it down below. So for this hairstyle, you are going to need a 1/4 inch barrel, some clips, paddle brush, hairspray, all that good stuff. I'm going to go in with medium sections to create a beach wave. I do have a video in depth on how I create my beach waves, so I will link that for you guys. Also, I will link all products down below. So this hairstyle is very trendy, super simple, super cute for the summertime. The fishtail braid. So yeah, I'm pretty much just let you guys watch how I do this. It's self-explanatory, but if you have any questions or anything like that, comment them down below and y'all know I'll answer them for you to the best of my abilities. So vibe out, enjoy the music, enjoy the enjoy the show, enjoy the video. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Later.
If you were everything I wanted you to be, when I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my